Hey, what's up, Vechain? Must watch this update. Absolutely very terrible, my friend. A lot of holder ask me to get there is a chance to Vechain is wake up again, and they move upward. What's the prediction? Can there is a chance to upcoming times Vechain prices increase and that will give a very good profit, my friend? Yes, absolutely. There is a more chances, my friend. I explain you with the proof, my friend. Absolutely, I tell you to get Vechain as moving upward in upcoming time or not. So kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and yes, press the bell icon. If you are new on our channel, kindly press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks once again. Alright, so you can see, my friend, this time I'm gonna show you first of all the 3 days chart to what's going on in the 3 days chart. So you can see, my friend, the 3 days chart is finally open now, and this time minus 31.81% fails down. First of all, the update is very important, and you can see here this time 0.18 18 USD dollar is the latest price. You can see it completely they fails down. It's mean to upcoming times they also fails down, my friend. But you can see here definitely after a fail, my friend, they will take a jump. You can see here this is the slowly circulation. You can see here after a short jump they take a short fail. Definitely, my friends, they're moving in this circulation. So it's mean, my friends, to after this part they also moving upward. It's mean to after this part they also moving upward. So kindly holder, you need to hold and wait for a good time. Let's check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on, my friend. At the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upward very fastly. So therefore, my friends, I told you to I hope in upcoming time they move upward. Yes, exactly. You can see this time in the last 1 hour chart is absolutely in the positive now, plus 2.98% they take a jump. Exactly, this is very good jump, my friend, and I hope after this, my friend, you can see here they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to in upcoming times Vechain is wake up and they move up very fastly. They go at the moon. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price is going to be double now. So Vechain holder, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.